Assalamu alaikum. I am Kamrul Hassan from Gopalpur High School. I am going to present a class on behalf of Kalukhali Upazila online class. So dear learners, today I will take a class on English first paper for class 10, unit 13, lesson 1. So let's go. Dear learners, please take your textbook, khata and pen. So dear learners, please open your textbook at page 165. Page 165. Yes, please look at these pictures. Have you? Okay. Yes. What do you see here? Yes. Dear learners, the first picture is about the logos. When we browse internet, we can see these various logos, isn't it? Okay. And picture 2. Okay, dear learners, it is a picture of e-newspapers. Yes. And picture 3. Yes. It is a symbol. The name of it is at the rate of. At the rate of. Yes. When we write email, we always use this symbol. So dear learners, please see your textbook. There is a box and there are some words. First, Facebook, email, website, blog, e-commerce, Twitter, e-learning, iPod, tablet PC, information superhighway, social network, smartphone. Okay, the learners, how are they related to e-communication? Do you know? Yes. The learners, nowadays we can communicate the other people within a certain possible time by using these various kinds of technology, isn't it? Okay. And dear learners, I am going through the lesson. Please follow. Let's imagine a citizen's ordinary day at work. The morning probably starts with a cup of coffee or tea, followed by greeting the colleagues. Then comes the inevitable, which is logging in the computer. For many of us, the third step has become an automatic browsing, automatic behavior, and it dominates the rest of our work day, receiving and sending dozens of emails. An email is an electrical mail. It is a computer-aided way of exchanging digital text messages from a sender to one or multiple recipients. Emails operate through a network of computers linked by the internet. There are commercial server agencies such as Yahoo, Gmail, email, Hotmail, etc. that accept the text messages from the sender, forward it and deliver instantly to the digital mailbox of the recipient. If the recipient is not online, the message is stored and delivered later when the recipient is online. It works instantly just with the click of your mouse. It has been a powerful communication tool in modern life. Okay, dear learners, yes, there are some new words, I think. Please write it on your khata. Colleague. It is noun. Colleague is a person with whom one works in a profession. Okay, colleague means a person with whom one works in a profession. Okay, then dominate. Dominate. It is also, it is verb. Dominate. Take over. Take over. Dominate. And then imagine. Imagine. Imagine means see in your mind's eye. Inevitable. Inevitable. It is adjective. The meaning of it that you cannot avoid. That you cannot avoid. Multiple. Multiple. Involving. It is adjective. Involving several parts, elements or numbers, and then recipient. Recipient. It is also adjective. Sorry, noun. The meaning of it, a person or thing that receives. Okay, dear learners, please note it on your notebook. Have you finished? Okay, I think you have already finished. So, dear learners, what is an email? Okay, an email is electronic mail. It is a digital text message also. Is it right? Yes, dear student. Now, how do email operate? How do email operate? Okay, email operate by using internet connection with a computer or smartphone. Okay, then how do the commercial server serve in the process of an email? Yes, dear learners, the commercial server receive the email or the digital text message from the sender and instantly deliver it to the recipient. If the recipient is offline, the server store the text message in mailbox, and when the recipient are online, instantly it deliver the message. Yes, dear learners, and how has been a powerful communication, it has been a powerful communication tool in modern life. Explain the sentence. Yes, dear learners, we are going with the modern time and we have to do a lot of work, a lot of deeds within a possible shortest time. So, it is the fastest communication system nowadays. We can easily communicate with others within a possible short time, and so we can say that it is a powerful communication media nowadays. How do email affect our daily work schedule? Yes, in our daily work schedule, we have to receive a lot of mail from different people, and also we have to send several messages also. So thank you dear learners. Email is very essential part in our day-to-day life, no doubt. So, in our practical life, we have to write it in our exam also. So, please look at the board. I am trying to show you the format of an email. Dear learners, it is clear to us that we need internet connection with computer or smartphone to send an email. But when we open the page of email, we found a box. We generally find a box where 2 is written. 2 is written. So we have to write here an address of email address. To write an email address, we have to write the small letter of any name or symbol. But if we use here any capital letter, the address may not be found. So we must use here the small letter, and also we can use here symbol. But it is very important that it is not possible to make the space between two letters or two symbol. Okay, then we have to use at the rate of, and then we can use any kind of server such as Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, etc. Gmail and then dot and then com. Okay, and then there is also another box where subject is written, but we need not to make box for to and for subject and for the body. And if you, any student or if you anyone make the box, you will not get any credit for it. Okay, and then we have to write the subject here. The subject here. Suppose the subject is about a journey. About a journey you have read, you have made recently. So the subject is about a journey. Dear X, we can use here hi, hello at first, because it is a shortest communication system and so fast that we imagine that we are with our friend or with our recipient. So we can use here it. And it is like a letter also. It may formal or informal. It may formal or informal. And the informal email is like our informal letter, and the formal email also like our formal letter. Both formal and informal email we have to use to and subject. Is it clear? Okay. And like a body of a letter, we have to write here, and at the end we have to write the name of the sender. Okay, dear learners, it is very essential and it is very important for this time to communicate with others within a possible short time. It is clear to us that if we send message, it is very easy or it is very time saving. So we have a clear idea to send message in email. So dear learners, please, it is your homework. Write an email to your foreign friend about the natural beauties of your motherland. So, thank you, dear learners. We'll meet another class. So, thank you very much.